Hi folks, I'm Andrew Dezsery, Operations Manager of No. 1 Aquaponics. In these two DVDs, you'll learn how to grow aquaponically fish and vegetables together. You'll learn some of the tips and trade secrets of 20 years plus of doing aquaculture and horticulture together here in South Australia at the research farm, and you'll also discover how to grow barramundi and Murray cod. These two DVDs separately alone are $80 plus Australian dollars, but if you buy them today you can get them for $39 for the two as a one-time offer if you tick yes and go through with your free report plus shipping, and then you'll get the two DVDs free shipping included in there as well for just $39. The farms depicted on these DVDs are private enterprise, so they're not available for general public access. So the tips and tricks and equipment and some of the things that you'll see are not a general exhibition, and therefore are to your benefit, and for the dollars you spend are well worth it because you won't see those anywhere else. We'll also be giving you lots of tips on the bottom of these videos, as you might have seen already. It will give you some scientific and technical data which will also not be available elsewhere. So from us at No. 1 Aquaponics, we look forward to your education, and of course you can purchase our Aquaponics 101 home study course software or our 102 workshops also available from our website.